Hello everyone and welcome to this lesson where I'm going through some more worksheets. So this first worksheet is all about music notes. These are the different notes that are going to live on the stave. So the note that just looks like a circle is a 4-beat note. We call this one a semibreve, or sometimes we call it a whole note. The next one down is a 3-beat note, and this is a circle with a stem on it and a dot next to it. We call these dotted minims, or sometimes dotted half note. Okay, moving down, we have got a 2-beat note that is a circle with a stem on it. We call this a minim or a half note. And then the one underneath is coloured in with a stem on it, and this one is 1-beat note. We call this one a crotchet or a quarter note. Okay, let's take a look at the next worksheet. The next worksheet is called time signatures. Okay, the time signature appears at the beginning of a piece of music, right after the treble clef and the bass clef. And it tells musicians how to organise the rhythm of the whole song. Okay, so can you see those numbers 4/4 just after the treble clef and just after the bass clef? This is called a time signature. The top number tells us how many beats we have to count in each bar. And the bottom number tells us what type of beats we are counting. So in this one, the 4 underneath represents crotchet or quarter notes. Okay, let's take a look at the next worksheet. So when we count beats, it's like we are counting a steady walk, okay? Each number is said aloud. So when we're counting each bar, we're going to go 1, 2, 3, 4, if the time signature says 4. Okay, the first beat is usually a bit stronger. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Keep the counting like a steady ticking clock. So this is what the bars will look like. So you've got the time signature at the beginning, and each bar in this one we're going to count to 4. We have got each bar, which is the 1, 2, 3, 4, divided by a straight line down the music. This is called a bar line, and that splits our music into bars. And then when we finish our song, the end line will always be a little bit thicker and a little thin line with it. And that tells us we can stop. Okay, fantastic. Well done everyone. I will see you shortly where we're getting stuck in to playing actual music. See you soon.